Hello guys, I am Nitishri S. Bagalwadi, your science teacher, Sankalp Learning Solution. In the last session, we discussed regarding the preparation of a soil and the method of loosening and turning the soil is called as tilling and the agricultural implements used for tilling. So like a plow, hoe and cultivator. Today, we are going to deal with the second step or a second practice of agriculture, that is the growth of a crop, growing or cultivating the crop, that is called sowing. That is inserting the seed is called as sowing. So we know that seeds are the babies of a plant, right? From the seed only, the plant will grow or the crop will grow. So the first and foremost step in a sowing practice or in sowing method is selection of a seed. It is not that any seed is selected and it is sowed or it is what is that spreaded or distributed in the field. So the farmers will select a good quality of seed. Good quality of seeds means what? The seeds which will give them a good yield, a lot of profit, good yield, high yield. Okay, so from a small amount of seeds, they get a high yield, and the seeds should be disease resistant. The seeds should be drought resistant, and the seeds should be, we can say, climatically, it should be adaptable, like wide adaptability. That it has to adapt to the change in the climate. So, like that, the seeds are selected by a farmer. So the first step in the sowing is selection of a seed. Sowing is the most important part of a crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected by the farmer. Good quality seeds are clear and they should be healthy seeds of a good variety. So in the plants or in the crops, we will be having good variety. For example, during the mango season, if you go to the market, you can see a variety of mangoes, right? Apus we have, and we have apus and one more totapuri. So these all are the variety of mangoes, Alfonso mangoes. These all are mangoes, but they have certain varieties. So regarding the variety, which variety the farmer wants, which is a good quality of a seed. So based on that, a farmer will select a seed for his field. The next method is the next step in sowing of seed is inserting or putting the seed in the field. So for that, there are also the tools, or we can say the agricultural implements. So the agricultural implements used for sowing the seeds are, the first one is a traditional tool, what you can see here. The tool used traditionally, what happens, the bullocks will be there here, the man will be holding, in that he will be having a certain bowl like structure through which he will put the seeds. So the seeds will be what is that, serially will be falling in the line what they formed in the field. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is shaped like funnel. Shaped like funnel means, here in this picture it is not clear, it is here, is it is there, no? Here it will be like this. Okay, like this it will be, and then he will be holding like this. Okay, so in that the farmer will be putting the seed. Pass the seeds will pass down through two pipes. So two pipes will be there having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil. The ends will be there, no? These will be pierced into the soil and place the seeds there. So here, from this here, it will be having two pipes. So it will be having a sharp ends. So which will till the soil, which will uplift the soil, and the seeds will be fallen there. So like this, this is a traditional tool for sowing the seeds. Next, a modern tool which is called as a seed drill. It is called as seed drill. What you are seeing here. Nowadays, a seed drill is used for sowing with the help of a tractor. So the modern tool for sowing was cultivator. The modern tool for sowing is seed drill. So it is also attached to a tractor. Here it will be having the funnel-like structure in which the seeds are placed. This tool sows the seeds uniformly. What is the benefit of using this means, this one uniformly it will place the seeds at same distance it will what is that, put the seeds, or uniformly it spreads the seeds at proper distances proper distances, and also the proper depth. This also ensures the seeds get covered with the soil. So after the seeds are, that is that pollen on the soil, it also ensures that the again the soil will be pollen, or the soil will get covered with the, sorry, the seed will get covered with the soil. So this is a benefit of a modern tool. So in modern tool, what happens, the main benefit is seeds are placed at a proper distance, and seeds are placed at a proper depth inside the soil, as well as it also ensures, or it also helps to cover the seed with the soil. So it saves the time, it saves the labor. So this is also the modern tool of sowing. So in this session, we learned regarding sowing of a seed. The first step in sowing of a seed is selection of a seed. Good variety, healthy seeds are selected by the farmer, which is disease resistant, which has wider adaptability for the climate, which is pest resistant, which is not infected easily by any insects or pests or microorganisms. Then later we learned regarding the tools used in sowing seeds. So especially we have two tools. The traditional tool was there, so it needs a labor, it needs a cattle, okay, and it is time consuming. And the modern tool is called a seed drill, which saves the time, which needs less labor, as well as which has multi, what we can say, multi uses, it has multi uses. So this is about the second practice, that is sowing of a seed. In the next session we are going to learn the third practice, that is adding manure and fertilizer. In that session, we are going to learn what is manure, what is fertilizer, how we have to add it, what are the precautions for to take before adding the fertilizer. That all we are going to learn in the next session. Until that, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.